Hi everyone, I'm Sarah from B&B Off-Road. Just a quick video to introduce our new KTM 890 Adventure R 2023 model bash plate. We've decided to do things a little different with this year's model and created a full wraparound style bash plate. The bash plate's made from 5mm with 4mm wings. It's comprised of 4 components with removable wings, making it easier for servicing as well as replacing individual parts if you happen to damage rather than having to buy a whole bash plate. It comes in both polished and our new black low luster powder coat. It's also designed to fit with the KTM genuine centre stand as well as the SW Motech centre stand. Some features of the bash plate: we've braced the front bash plate back to steel rod, making it stronger at the front. Our rear mounting is frame mounted as well. We'll be listing this bash plate on the website in the next couple of days and will be available in the next couple of weeks. If you guys have any questions, you can hit us up via social media platforms or leave your comments below.